I'll introduce myself. My name is Moses Christopher. I'm from AIPI Makassar and my major nautical level 2. Good morning, sir.
Sit down, please.
Thank you, sir. This is my CV, sir.
Tell me about yourself.
My name is Moses Christopher. I'm graduate from Academy Maritime Indonesia AIPI Makassar in major nautical studies. I had completed my cadetships on board a bulk carrier. I responsible, disciplined, and eager to continue my career as a deck officer.
Why do you want to work at our company?
I want to gain experience in international shipping company and improve my professional skill. I have a good things about your company in safety, cultural, and crew management.
What is your and record safety expansion?
I work as a deck cadet on general cargo vessel in 12 months.
What are you routine as a deck cadet?
I assist navigating watchkeeping, mooring lines, maintenance of deck equipment, and participate in safety drills.
What do you check during bridge work?
I check the ship position, monitor radar and ice, observe traffic, update the logbook, and report to the officer on the watch.
What is correct in what is important?
Correct is international regulation for preventing collision at sea. It is important because it helps vessel in safety navigating and avoid accident.
What should you do if you see another vessel on collision course?
I will follow the coloring rules. If I am the giveaway vessel, I will alter my course early and clearly. If I am the standway vessel, I will maintain my course and speed unless the other vessel cannot to take action.
What is the meaning of not under command vessel?
And not common under vessel is ship that cannot require us to exceptional circumstance such as engine failure and or steering gear damage.
How do you perform mooring operation safety?
I will proper PPA, keep a safe distance from snapback zones, and communicate clearly with the team and order to officer in charge.
Why can maintenance is the on deck?
Maintenance includes shipping, painting, greasing moving parts, checking mooring rods, and cleaning the deck.
What safety drill have you participated?
I have participated in fire drills, abandoned ship drills, man overboard drills, and oil spill response drills.
What is your experience in case of man overboard?
I will raise the alarm through a flag buoy and report immediately to the bridge.
Are you confident in using English on board?
Yes, I use English for daily communicate, watchkeeping, during drills, and I also understanding SMCP.
Can you work with multinational crew?
Yes, I respect cultural difference and I'm open to learning and cooperate with everyone.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.